Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another ride from Wheaton Honda.
If you're looking for a vehicle to haul around the entire family, you can never go wrong with a van. This 2016 Toyota Sienna LE should do the trick. It has seating for 8, which includes a split and stow third row. Plus, getting passengers or cargo in and out is a breeze with remote entry and power sliding side doors. This thing comes with plenty of great features, like heated front seats, heated side mirrors, tri-zone climate control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror with an integrated compass, a backup camera, and automatic headlights. You also get a 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, satellite radio, and an audio system with USB and auxiliary inputs. It's powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine that creates 266 horsepower, and it's controlled by a 6-speed automatic transmission.
Now, if you have any questions about this vehicle, send them my way. You can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just head down to Wheaton Honda and check it out.